Because you know I'm all about that. Fuck with it good, rock with it good. First girl I ever met in my whole life. Wanna take her home, make her my wife. Knew she was a freak when she started talking. She said, fuck me like we fucked Bin Laden. Whoa, that girl was a freak. She said she knew I was the fuck her harder than the military. Fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. She wanted to fuck me harder than the US government. Fuck Bin Laden. She was a freaky kind of girl, kept up on current events around the world. More specifically, one event. The time Osama Bin Laden got shot in the head. She said, do me like that, but I couldn't track the metaphor. That said, I can see you horny like a stegosaur. That said, again, your request is so irregular. She put on a beard, I started looking at the exit door. Then a turban, then a tunic. She said, invade my cave. Unit. I said he wasn't in the game, but there was no stopping. She demanded that I fuck her like me. Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. She wanted to fuck me harder than the US government. Fuck Bin Laden. This girl requested in a ghost to bring a climax with the clinical efficiency of the assassination of Bin Laden. You're harboring a fugitive. That ass and my justice will be punitive. I'm a smash. Night vision, they can see us through my GoPro. She tried to negotiate. I said no. Now I'm creeping in her bedroom like go. She tells me to go. Kinda says I gotta terrorize that pussy. Gotta terrorize that pussy. So I improvise some crazy shit. SEAL Team 69. She said you finished me off. Now throw my body in the ocean. I yelled her around and took some pictures for posting. The president called. He said congratulations, Connor. I said Mr. President, to what do I owe this honor? He said go give me the deets in the White House garden. I got to know how you fucked her like we fuck Bin Laden. Fuck Bin Laden. Bin Laden. Still can't say that I see the appeal, but she wanted me to fuck her like we fuck Bin Laden. This girl insisted that I did it one person. Just like the number famous Italian fucked Osama Bin Laden. Rep on your name, with a bag of garbage and it down. You see how them cut Jesus the fast. Alongside rap.